on? Yes, we are. Top of the morning to all. So today we're having a little fiesta. I'm making us some fish that we caught yesterday. And high seas when we went to the little rowboat. So we're doing a couple of fish. Just do it ready like this. I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon. I'm already salted them. A little bit of lemon tea. And then we have made a lemon butter sauce, which we're going to put in after. And then after we're going to do these little babies here. Hey, don't those look beautiful? Get those guys away. And that will be done once the fish are done. So that's nearly there. So let's see what happens here. Yum yum styles. Okay, so the fish, I'll just take off the fish that we caught yesterday. That's grilled. Perfection's on the table. Now we're doing these babies. These beautiful lobsters. So I've already cleaned them, taken out the tripe, split them open, and they're going on the fire. In the middle. Obvious reasons. The big one. This is the macho man of the lot. This is the macho man of the lot. Now look at that baby. Hey? Wow. That is super duper. And then the other two small ones, which are just as tasty. Voila. We have the lobsters on the fire. We've got lemon butter sauce with a wee bit of garlic already done. Heat it up. Once this is done, I give it here. Put it to the side to keep it hot. And as I take it off, there's our lemon butter sauce with a wee bit of garlic. Let me show you. Here's it there, which I shall be doing this over there. But before that, Lola, I'm going to put a wee bit of salt because I like it to taste. So they're just going to put a dash of salt. We'll put some of the meat for Lynn as well. Because she's a meatitarian. We are vegetarians. She's a meatitarian. But she only eats meat, she doesn't eat fish. We eat everything. Love it, love it. Now I'm going to pour a bit of the famous Portuguese lemon butter sauce. As it goes, just going to put a little bit for now just to give it a taste. Add on more when it's nearly done. This is just to give it a taste. The smaak, as ons sê in Afrikaans. Ek het dit gefyn in die braai te bietjie. Niet te veel nie. And now we wait. Now we wait. Till it starts getting a nice orangey. Flip it over, flip it back again, and it's done. Bon appetit, everyone. Okay, nou, ik heb hem, dit van een cocktail. Ik maak het op die andere kant. Ik maak hem op die andere kant, so it's frying on the meaty side. I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon butter on each end, so it starts getting the taste on the inside. Like I said, I'm going to put on the sauce right at the end. So this is just a bit, just to make a little bit of a flame, not too much, eh? And just to give that taste to the head, so it's going through that crack into the head. It must taste wonderful. It starts going into the meat, into the head, and it starts giving it a nice, heerlijke smaak. En dan gaan we het draaien. Dat is niet van Angola. I'm doing one of the things that I do best. I'm cooking. I'm cooking for the expedition team. So today we're starting off with a little chicken fillet. That's for lunch. She's allergic to fish. I've already grilled the fish that we caught yesterday. That's already done. And now we're busy doing the lobsters, crayfish, as you want to call it. Looking good. It's looking mighty fine. Ok pessoal, lunch is served. O almoço é servido. Umas cervejinhas angolanas cuca, tomatevinhas. Umas lagostazinhas feitas por mim com muito amor e carinho, acabados de ser apanhados ali, e uns peixinhos sargos, pargos, é uma mistura de peixe grelhado Também deve estar divinal. O que é que tu achas, Lola?
I can't wait to sink these teeth into those lobsters.
I'm sure. And you, Bianca?
I can't wait. Yum yum.
I'm sure. Isto é simplesmente, como se diz em inglês, breathtaking. A Rosette, coitada, comeu algo que ele fez mal ontem, so she's feeling under the weather. Not getting into it that way. Mas também a passar a Lynn is in good form. She's ready for action. That's me and Luís, my cup.
Oh shit, I've got the wrong
Wrong
top.
cup, that's fine. Just support me. And Ati's there, he's still bright. He's making a chicken steak for Lynn. Well done. Well, the last, if you snooze, you lose. We start eating if you're not here. We chow. No, I'm joking, but it is time to eat. Another little quick glance. Today was a day of overindulgence. Indulgence. We had too much lobster. We had too much fish. We had too much delicious bread. Everything was too much and too good. So just to carry on with this overindulgence, I'm going to open up a bottle of Johnny Walker Blue Label. The original one with the seal. Not the one from the Chinese. This is the real one, the real McCoy. And we're going to spoil ourselves silly. So we're going to have a little drink between now, the Portuguese coffee which Lola's making the old-fashioned way, another golden mix. And then we're going to drown our sorrows with some Johnny Walker Blue Label. Hey Artie, what do you say to that?
Go Johnny!
Hey Johnny. Yum. There's another beautiful day like I said earlier on. Artie is going to do the honors of opening up my Johnny Walker Blue Label by the seal.
Okay, this is for educational purposes only, so please be aware. This is how you break the virgin on a bottle of Johnny Walker Blue.
That's it. Well done. You got it right. A little bit more. That should open. Put it to the side. That'll work.
That's it.
Pull this one to the side.
That's it. To lose.
Teamwork.
Oh, Johnny.
Johnny! Oh, Johnny! You broke my seal! You know what to do. Thank you. I'm here for it. It's here now. It's made now. Bring the Coke. Let's mix it in Coke. Hello everybody, how's it? So what are we preparing today? Special dish. This is actually a dish, this recipe is my late mother's recipe, Donna Mathilde. She taught me how to do this and let me tell you, it is exquisite. So we're going to make a polvo allegreiro. It's octopus with baked potatoes, with grilled potatoes, with olive oil, sauté onions, lots of garlic, olive oil. It's delicious. Now listen, first you need a octopus, which we got right here from the ocean yesterday. And that's as fresh as you can get it. You will not get a fresher octopus than this. There's his cookie, his head. Kept singing the pool. Now at the same time, I like to do my potato. So I've already got my potatoes. They're slightly pre-cooked. And now we want to get them nice and brown and crispy. So we gooi them on there as well. But don't flip until they're nice and crispy. So once they're nice and crispy and brown or burnt, as you want to call it, I give them a batata moer. In Portuguese, a batata moer is a potato that's been punchy potato. And then I pour the olive oil and the sauté onions and the garlic over the top, some olives and some coriander there. Freshly sprinkled coriander. And it is absolutely delicious. We'll show you the finished product, what it's done. But please have a look, please. Feel free.
I could take a bite out of that now.
Doesn't that look absolutely wonderful?
Louis, what are you doing now?
I'm now chopping the grilled octopus into little pieces, which will later have the sauté onions, the garlic, the olive oil. Very secret recipe, but I'm sharing it with the world, because that's the way I am. I like to share good things amongst everyone. And that's the koppie, the head of the octopus.
It looks delicious.
I'm busy chopping it up into little pieces so that it's much better like this. So, the octopus is chopped up into pieces, and with the sauté onions all sautéed. And we make like so. Throw it in. Listen, it's a shitload of onions. Buy a big bag of onions. It takes a lot of onions, because the onions disappear when you mix it in. So you need a lot of onions. Now you mix all that in with your octopusy. Whilst we do the garlic and the olive oil. You show the garlic and the olive oil that side? Which we're going to pour over the potatoes and everything just now.
So it's got to be just golden brown. So to get it that, you've got to be very careful.
So you can't have a cook around it, it's black, then it's hard, and it's no good. So you got to get it just right. So this is done, which is delicioso. And now we're going to get the potatoes. Moer, can I use these? Yeah. So now what I'm doing, is potato moer. So now moer is potatoes. You got to punch your potatoes. You got to some moer them, batata moer. So that you crack them. See how they crack? And that's so all the juices can penetrate. Beautiful potatoes. Ek is die man van staal met die hand van staal, that's why I don't feel it. Otherwise, just use one of these goodies like this. Or a baked potato. Anything. So now it's just to crack them up so they get all the juices penetrated inside. And just mix it up a bit. And make it look pretty. Can I pour on the octopus oil? Now we sommer give us another mixer. And pour it over the top, over alles. Now, you can imagine all the juice going into the potatoes, right? So these will be the best potatoes one has ever had. Because that's the way I cook. Just remember, we're on the beach, eh? Show them the beach. They don't believe it. We're cooking on the beach.
A beautiful beach.
So, you spread it all over the potatoes. Nice and flat like this. And the next step is going to be the garlic.
Which has to be this golden brown. Can you see the edges? They're nice and brown.
In a minute, is it hot?
It is hot, so take that.
Yes. And now gently, you got your garlic stuff, garlic with olive oil, and you just spread it everywhere. This gives it a taste. And then obviously then you need the olives.
Sponsored by Accra from the Crow's Garden.
Oh, thank you, Accra.
Here.
It must be black olives, eh?
Yeah, this is like Kalamata, but it also works. So we use what we can get hold of.
Just gonna pour that olive oil all over evenly, everything. And now I can say, voila! No, not yet, sorry. That's not the one. There's one ingredient on the beach we don't have, so you're going to have to forgive us. The fresh coriander, out of stock. But it does take, you sprinkle, not available. You sprinkle fresh coriander over here, over the top. Because, yeah. And then just some beautiful olives all over.
It looks
Gives it that
amazing.
divine taste. Absolutely divine. This is a dish that you will die for. You will die for a dish like this.
And the thing is, this will feed about.
Thank you guys, enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed my video. This is very good. And just for the fun of it, just to give it that a little extra bite at one. I can't wait to see that. That's for sure. Enjoy, people. Lunch is served. And this is how we wash pots in Africa. É assim que se lava as panelas em África. Um pedaço de areia, um pouquinho de água. Diz lá, Lola.
Como fiz povo, tenho que tentar limpar isto bem.
Ah, foi o panela do povo. E ela tem que dar uma boa lavadura com areia e água. Isto é tipo africano. Não é, Ati? Tipo africano.
He catches all the fish, I have to clean them.
Thank you. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Well done, George. You've done an excellent job today. Well done, well done.
Hey, and I'm
Well done.
frying a potato.
Very good.